Hello friends, if you are getting an unexpected error on your Facebook, then follow these steps. First of all, check your internet connection. Go to here, just check for your Wi-Fi is working right or not, or your mobile data is on or not. You can also check it by using Chrome. Just see for the speed test, and if you get the speed test, it's mean that your internet connection is working properly. Then you should follow the next step. The second step is for clear app cache and data. For this, just tap on app info, go to storage and cache, and here you can clear the cache and clear the storage. After clearing cache and storage, you have to re-log into the Facebook account, and hopefully your problem will be solved. If this step not work for you, then follow the next step. Update the app. To update the app, go to your Play Store, search for the Facebook, and here if you find any update, then here you will see the update button. Update the Facebook app and reopen the app. Your issue will be most probably will be fixed. If again you are facing the same issue, then follow the next step. Check for the system update. Maybe your mobile system has new updates. That is why your Facebook account is not working properly. For this, go to setting, go to update, and check for the system update. If there is any update over there, then you should update your device, and after that restart your mobile and restart your Facebook app. Most probably your issue will be fixed. If again you are facing the same issue, then follow the next step. Next step is you should log in your Facebook app in a browser. Go here and log in over here. Maybe your Facebook account not working. Just see m.facebook. You should not log in through m.facebook. You just search for the normal Facebook account. Just copy it and paste it in your URL. Remove M, open the app, and here you should log in through your email address and password. Hopefully your Facebook issue will be fixed. If again not working, then reset the password. Go to forgotten password and reset the password, and maybe your issue will be fixed. If again you are facing issue, then you should contact the Facebook support. They ask them to fix the issue. Hopefully you find the video helpful, and most probably your Facebook issue will fixed. Okay, bye bye.